Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to play 3 lions on piano. We'll start by breaking down the famous melody, focusing on the notes for your right hand. Then, we'll move to the left hand, exploring the straightforward chords that accompany the tune. Finally, I'll guide you through combining both hands smoothly and offer some helpful practice advice to get you playing this classic song in no time. It's easier than you think. Let's begin with the right hand and the unforgettable melody. The song primarily uses notes from the C major scale, making it quite accessible. You'll want to start with the G note just above middle C for the very first phrase. Pay close attention to the rhythm. It's a mix of eighth notes and quarter notes, giving the tune its distinctive feel. Practice each small section slowly and accurately before trying to speed it up. Now, let's add the left hand with its simple yet effective chord progression. You'll primarily use 4 basic chords: C major, G major, A minor, and F major. These are fundamental chords, making them easy to learn. You can play them as solid blocks or break them into arpeggios for a fuller sound. The key is to synchronize your left hand's rhythm with the melody played by your right hand, creating a cohesive sound. Finally, let's bring both hands together and discuss effective practice strategies. First, ensure each hand can play its part confidently and independently. When combining, start at a very slow tempo, focusing on the coordination between your right hand melody and left hand chords. Pay attention to smooth transitions. Remember, consistent, short practice sessions, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes daily, are far more beneficial than one long, infrequent session. You'll be playing it perfectly soon.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.